Here's where to find the new AirPods EQ settings in iOS 27. First, connect your AirPods to your iPhone. Once they're connected, open the Settings app. At the top of the Settings page, tap your AirPods name. You can also go to Bluetooth, find your AirPods, and tap the information icon next to them. Now scroll down and tap Audio and Routing. Then select Equalizer. Right here, you'll see the custom EQ controls for low, mid, and high frequencies. The low slider controls the bass, the mid slider changes vocals and instruments, the high slider adjusts treble and clarity. For example, if you want stronger bass for hip hop or workout music, increase the low frequency a little. Keep the mid frequency close to the center so vocals still sound clear. Then slightly increase the high frequency if you want more detail and brightness. Play a song while adjusting the sliders so you can hear the changes in real time. Try not to move every slider to the maximum because the audio may sound distorted or unbalanced. You can always return the sliders to the center if you want the original sound. That's it. This is where you can find and customize the AirPods Equalizer settings in iOS 27. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iOS 27 and AirPods tips.